N.R.T here, guys. So I got another unboxing video from Olight. So they sent me their Baton 3. Go ahead and open it up. Hope to turn on. Gives you a little carrying bag for it, and of course a little charger. So I was confused at first how these charge, and there's this little stand that the menu goes on and charge like that. That's UBS. So give you an instruction manual. Okay. So it's dead, I guess. Charge it up. Must be a little piece of. Oh, that's right. There was a little piece of protective tape. I always get that mixed up. So once you get that little piece of protective tape off of there, sounds like that. So, got 3 different settings. You got that one, which is the brightest. You got off. You got that setting. You got that. You got dim, brighter, and then really bright. So that is the Baton 3 from Olight. I got it in black and blue. Looks pretty cool. Probably gonna switch this clip around. I'm gonna put on my hat. Go ahead and show you guys how to do that. Just like that. That won't work. Huh. More like I was thinking about. Big shout out to Olight and for sending that out, and hopefully you guys find this video helpful, and I'll catch you guys at the next one. I'll put a link in the description to this light at Olight.